A bench vise is a versatile workshop tool that exerts a firm grip to hold the workpiece securely for performing all the desired operations. From welding, cutting, to sawing, this bench vise serves for many purposes, and having this at hand is vital. There are many products available to choose the best bench vise, each with different characteristics, benefits and price. To help you make an informed decision, I found these products much helpful for people like. If you know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Yost LV4 Home Vise. Yost is one of the most popular brands out there if you are looking for a bench vise. It offers a wide range of options, including the one present here. The Yost LV4 bench vise is present in the first position in this article, as it is the cheapest option present in this article. And even then, it is capable for most workshop jobs without any issues due to its 4.5-inch jaw width. But since this is a budget bench vise, it only has a 1-year warranty. Thankfully, the build quality offered by it is decent. You also get a swivel base in this bench vise that has a maximum angle of 240 degrees for ease of use. Number 2. Olympia Tool Bench Vise. Next we have a bench vise option from Olympia in this article that is a highly rated product. And it is quite large when compared with other bench vises. Despite its small and compact size, it can offer a 6-inch jaw width. You also get a 2.75-inch throat depth and a jaw opening of 6 inches that makes this one ideal for industrial applications. It even offers an easy-to-lock swivel base that provides a rotation angle of 270 degrees for easily working on all kinds of objects. Just like various other bench vises out there, this one also offers an inbuilt anvil. And this can be quite useful as you get a cast iron construction. This also means that this bench vise can last for a long time without any issues. Number 3. Pony Jorgensen Medium Duty Woodworker's Vise. A woodworker in the market for a capable and quality front vise should look into Pony Jorgensen's 27091 Woodworker's Vise. This single-screw vise features cast iron construction, 7-inch jaws, and an 8-inch jaw opening capacity, providing enough clamping ability for some serious hardwood stock. This vise mounts to the front of a woodworking bench with lag screws. It has 2 additional holes on each jaw for securing sacrificial wood jaw inserts. There's also a slide-up steel dog in the outer jaw, allowing users to clamp workpieces against a bench dog for surface planing and flattening. Plus, the orange enamel finish is baked on for extra durability. Number 4. Forward 8-inch Bench Vise Ductile Iron. Deers looking for an all-purpose general-use vise should check out this model from Forward. This benchtop-style vise features replaceable jaws that measure 8 inches wide, with a jaw opening to match. It's made from 60,000 psi cast iron, and it also features a 3.5-inch throat depth, allowing users to clamp some heavy-duty workpieces in place. This bench vise secures to a bench top with 3 bolts, and the swiveling base allows users to reposition metal pipes and bars, wood boards, and other items for easy and convenient access. And swiveling will give the user access to the large anvil surface that is mounted directly over the swivel for maximum flexibility. This vise does not feature a quick release mechanism, but it does feature pipe clamps for holding round items in place. Number 5. Wen MPV 502 Multi-Purpose Bench Vise. Wen is one of the well-known brands for power tools and its accessories, including this bench vise. As you would expect, we have mentioned a great bench vise option from Wen in this article. You get 5-inch crosscut jaws that open up to a width of 5 inches, along with a throat depth of 2.75 inches on this bench. It effectively provides a clamping force of up to 5,500 pounds. Thus, you will get a great grip from this bench vise. While you will get a 2-year warranty with this option, which is good for its given price. Thankfully, it offers a decent build quality due to its heavy-duty cast iron construction, along with an inbuilt anvil with a milled face for maximum accuracy. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you wants to know product price to check out of my description for any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay update with our cool products.